Hi everyone. So I just did a beautiful pour that I really loved, and you probably saw the video. So I'm going to do another one, the same colors, but I want to do a tile because I just want to see how it looks on a tile. I think it'll be beautiful. All right. It's my pillow paint. My recipe's in the description below the video. Actually, if I'm gonna spin it, I think I better put it down here. That way it won't go away. So, we'll try and remember the order I did it in. Okay, I think I did turquoise. This is a deep turquoise. I'm not sure if it's a Winsor Newton. And then I added some light blue to it just to lighten it up a little bit. And I have some plum. This is Deco Art Plum. And I have some gold. Liquitex Basics Gold. And I added some pearl white, metallic pearl white to it just to lighten it a little bit. And I used my little my hair dryer, so I don't know if I can use it on this one. We'll see. Might be too much for this small tile. And this is a ultramarine blue with some plum added to it. I'm going to use Payne's gray and white together, 2-cell activators, which works out great, as my last one did. Can see okay. All right. Maybe I'll use my mini blower. Ooh, that's too much white. Darn. Didn't mean to put that much in, but I'm gonna try my hair dryer. This is mine. It has a brush attachment that you would dry your hair with. It has a cool setting. It worked somewhat. Oh, it is a little big for this small tile, but I'll let it settle back down and see what happens. Colors, oh, so amazing. Yes, I thought I would try the Payne's Gray. I know Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, she has done it, and it really turns out awesome. You get a black ring around the cell, not black, but the gray around the cells. And the white in the middle. Get 2 or 3 colors in some of these cells. I'm gonna see if I can blow the middle a bit. Well, that's not really what I wanted, but white cells. I better leave it. My last one, the cells filled right in, so I hope this one does. I don't even really have to spin it much, but I will because they need to be stretched. Payne's gray is, I don't have Liquitex or Artist Loft or Amsterdam. It's an older paint that I've had when I was doing my other art. It's made by a private paint company called Stevenson's. So it's their heavy-bodied paint. It's a really good paint. Oh no! I just put the lid in my other painting. Oh, darn it all. Oh, okay. Catastrophe. I might have to spin it. How am I going to fix that? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Too many things on this table. My carelessness. That's filling in nicely. Boy, oh boy. What is this one? Deep turquoise. Okay, I think I can spin this now. It's almost at the end. Oh, I'm so upset. I probably could have sold that painting, but not now. Maybe I can spin it. Oh, look at that. One more corner. Paint Okay, I think that's it. Don't wreck this one now. There, look how gorgeous that is. Awesome. Thanks for coming by for this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. It's a close-up. All right, now I have to go spin my other one. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Here's my dried tile of this gorgeous bloom that I blew with my dryer. Dried so smooth. I never seem to have any cracking problems. I love all those little cells. It's mostly cells in this one, lacing near the edges. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. There you go. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.